Good afternoon. Here's a daily chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average at all-time 5-year highs. Here is the daily resistance top. And yes, we are below Dow 14,000 right here. Today was only down 9.52. Nonetheless, what we're looking at here is what the top of that resistance area would be. Now, I can tell everybody, the good news is we are in the very beginning phase. It's called an infancy phase from a 13-year long-term bear market that we started in the year 2000. We've been in it for 12 years and we're starting the 13th year. Back then we were so overbought and the multiples in the market and everything was at such highs that it takes 12 to 14 years to work those multiples off. We are in the beginning of a new bull being born, and that means that it's been all of these calendar years that if you were involved in markets, one of the things that I want to point out to you here at stockmarketfunding.com, go to open an account. We are in the beginning of a new bull that starts. It's in its infancy, but can get better after we have pullbacks and dips. But listen, for the people that are handicapped with capital, if you were taken out of these markets over those last 12 years within that long-term bear with many little bull runs and bull rallies and whatnot, is the question of it is, where does it totally leave the bear and go back into a newborn bull? We're in the very beginning infancy stages. You can get buying power to get back into the market. With a $2,500 account, you get $15,000 intraday. With a $5,000 minimum account, you get $50,000 intraday. How could you want to pass that up in a new bull market? You wouldn't. Accounts with 10 grand, they get $150,000 intraday. No more pattern day trading rule. You can take all these disadvantages that have worked against you and put them working for you. I will tell everyone that we have many programs. If you go to trading, back to the home page, you can click on the SMF Stock Exchange. Our market makers will be providing you with bull entries and bull exits and all kinds of trades. And these are all the things that you'll get. The live trading room, 52-week high, low alerts. You're going to get price volatility intraday, free economic analysis. You'll get the upgrades, downgrades. And once again, you can have a free one-day trial. And you can. And we will tell you right now that under the trading platform that you would use, it would be the Dash Trader Pro, direct access to the market, not like the one you're using right now. No, it's direct to the market. So we encourage people, especially the day trading community that we care a lot about, that if you are one of those people that were washed out in these markets, come and utilize our capital. Come and utilize our market makers. Come and utilize the new bull that's being born. Now, the Dow definitely will have to have a pullback, and it will. And so will all of the indexes. Bulls have to pull back at some point, and they're going to. And there'll be a great opportunity to buy equities. We encourage you to come here where you can be taken by the hand step by step on a daily compounded level and work with us so that you can come back and get involved in this new bull run that we're having right now in the first 45 days of 2013. And just remember, it's in the infancy phases. But we have an all-time high up here. And when we go back to other periods of time, if I go back over here, we've come all the way back up to this point in the Dow. And the thing about it is, we're all the way back up almost 14,200. That was in 2007 where it all went down in the financial crisis. And right now, I'm going to go and right click here. I'm going to go to this trend tool for us, and I'm going to go to clear all these trend lines, and I'm going to draw a trend line right there. That's 14,092. That's the upper end of that 2007 spike. And then here, back in that time, is 14,002.71. Now, having done that, everyone, I'm going to go over here and let you see what these upper ends of these trend lines look like. Not only that, we have room to go higher. However, bull trends, and these are 30 stocks in the Dow, and you know where the trend lines come from. Here they are. Now, we've been selling off. We know where those three upper trend lines come from. And we know that we hit that above 14,000 level and selling into the bull rally for a bull pullback to pull back. We got to pull back in the bull run. And what we would look for between when that time does come, we would look for 5 to 8% pullback. But then you will have to have your shopping list ready to get involved in the new bull run. So therefore, it takes capital. And we understand that. Hit on open an account. There's your online paperwork, SMF Titan Equity, open an account. Here you will get your buying power from the firm Titan Equity. Okay? And you'll have that money to trade this new bull and have your shopping list set up. When they do pull back, every bull has to pull back. And this is a new bull. It's in an infancy on the Dow. And pullbacks will be buyable. A good corrections for pullbacks would bring the money off the sideline. There's lots of things that we'll explain to you, but not here in this video. But when we get to know you, you deserve to come back in here and get involved in these markets. And you deserve the funding, and you deserve the market maker working for you. You deserve all of these opportunities. It's time for you to get back in the new bull. And we have the program set up for your entry. Just get here now and take the trial and spend a week with us, and you'll find out. So the Dow, we're below 14,000. We said to sell into it to raise cash. Raising cash so that when the pullback does get here, and it's not far around the corner, we are going to have one. And then you would be selling and then using those profits to buy the good quality equities that would pull back in any normal bull run. So therefore, that is the conclusion of the Dow, 14,000, and we're slightly below it. And this is the daily volatility that we've had. We've had some down days there in the Dow, and then it comes right back. It's very resilient, and now it's coming right back down here. And we're right in this area of this daily area. So basically, this is a new bull run, but it's in its infancy, and it could be here to stay for years.